Now we're going to make a cherry sling. We're going to start with our rocks glass. Add your ice. We're going to add 2 ounces of cherry brandy. This stuff is great and so versatile. You can make so many drinks with the cherry brandy. And you can really use any brand that you like. 2 ounces, just like that. And then we're going to use the juice of half a lemon. I like to take the easy way and use the lemon that's already squeezed for me. And that's going to be about 1/4 ounce, just like that. We're going to give this a really gentle stir. These are super fun to use. Just like that. Nice gentle stir so we're not making our ice melt. And then we're going to do a twist of lemon as a garnish. And a cherry. So this is a double garnish drink, which makes it extra special and fancy. Just like that. This is a beautiful, beautiful cocktail. Perfect for a summer day on a porch. Cherry Sling. Cheers.